second video on the NA Garage channel. I'm currently traveling to the exhaust shop, which is 26 minutes away from now. I have an appointment there to get a Decat and make this car even louder. So it's currently 8:14 a.m. I'm really sleepy. There was an accident on the way here. It's like a good morning. It's sunny, weather's nice. It's a great time. So I'm currently on the, oh my god, this little car that can. I'm currently on the highway and it's very loud in here. I hope you can hear me. It's super loud in this car, but it gets up and goes. He still got it. So I'll see you guys when I get there and I'll film the install. So the car is done, the Decat is done, and the car sounds just awesome. I'm really happy I did it. So there's like a pipe that goes instead of the cap, and there's like two clamps that hold on to the pipe, and they just made a bracket so I can just bolt off and bolt on the catalytic converter when I go to get an inspection, which is in April. So the car now smells amazing and also sounds amazing. It's much more raspy than it used to be. You can hear as it's a little deeper. It also pops and bangs a lot and I'll show you. So yeah, the car sounds amazing. Thank you everyone for watching the process of getting rid of the cat. Next thing is of course the coilovers, which have not come in yet, and I also need to get some spacers. Then we will have the wheel bearing replaced, and after that, what is it? Oh, also I need to get the wheels repaired and get new tires for that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.